What's going on, everyone? I'm actually going to study. It is a Monday, and what happens on Monday is I come home, I work out, and then I go study, because that is the essence of med school life. But as I'm walking over, I have this great idea, which is if you or anyone else you know is applying to medical school, what I've realized is I have a lot of videos. Like I have over 180. And the point is, it's hard to go through a lot of the videos, especially if you haven't known me for that long. If you just joined the fam, then you don't know. So what I've started is I've created a Facebook group. Click the link below. And what's gonna happen is in that Facebook group, I'm just gonna post a lot of my videos come application time. Because what happens in med school is you start applying in May or even June. And so different things are relevant at different times. So for that reason, on this Facebook group, I'm going to just post all of my videos. Of course, none of this is going to be, I'm not going to charge for any of this. I've always hated charging. I don't think it makes any sense because I don't think I know any more than you do. And if anything, I just want to use my experience to help you guys. So point is, join this Facebook group if you're applying to medical school this cycle, AKA 2019-2020, or even if you're applying in the future. Because what you'll do is I will then link videos from my channel that are chronologically relevant, and that way it takes the hassle out for all of you guys to have to know what video is relevant when. For example, right now you might want to be thinking about your personal statement, how to write secondaries, how to decide what schools to apply to. Because once the cycle starts rolling, which is May or June, dude, you got to know your stuff. So join the Facebook group below. Just join, I'll post my videos. And the good part is if all of you are there, you can talk to each other and answer each other's questions. And I've done this with the MCAT before, and it's been relatively successful. So just join the group below, and let's make the fam even a cooler fam. I'll be in the Facebook group too. And if anything, I'll answer questions here and there. And so you have access to me. And I'll already post a video by the time this goes up on that Facebook group. So you guys will know, okay, this is what you should be prepping for and how to do it. All right, cool beans. Let's do it, squad. Join the group, link below. And otherwise, hope you're having a great Monday. Miss y'all. I'm gonna be studying. I got Anki cards and then learning more stuff. So that's my life. All right, peace.